Are you drinking too much coffee? What about salt? Are you getting the right amount of omega-3 fat? The answer may be in your genes. With recent scientific discoveries, there is now an innovative yet simple test you can take that reveals how your body responds to different foods and nutrients based on your individual genetic profile. Nutritional genomics is a field of research that aims to understand why some people respond differently from others to the same foods they consume. A familiar example would be something like lactose intolerance.
Our research at the University of Toronto has shown that small variations in certain genes could have a significant effect on the way our body responds to the foods and nutrients we consume. Our 45 gene test is based on the latest scientific discoveries, and we now know much more about how an individual responds based on their genetics. One particular genetic marker that we identified affects how your body breaks down caffeine, and we've shown that for some individuals who have this particular version of the gene, coffee increases their risk of heart disease, but for those who don't, it might actually be protective. Research shows that the effects of a high-protein diet on weight loss depend on a version of the FTO gene. Those who have a particular version of this gene are much more successful at losing weight compared to those who don't.
Nutrigenomix is a safe, easy-to-use genetic test kit that can reveal how your body responds to key components of your diet.
Recent studies have shown that people are more highly motivated to adopt healthy eating habits when given personalized information based on their genes rather than general nutrition advice. The test requires only a small sample of saliva that's used to isolate DNA. It's a non-invasive test that meets all safety and privacy standards. The test sample is sent to the laboratory, which is equipped with state-of-the-art instruments for analysis.
Our test is available only through qualified healthcare practitioners because it's important for this kind of information to be interpreted correctly.
Each genetic test has been validated by experts in the field and approved by our International Science Advisory Board.
Our advisory board ensures that the tests we develop are based on the best science available. It has to be evidence-based. The Nutrigenomix test kit is now being used by thousands of practitioners around the world, and the report is now available in several different languages.
Our goal is to take science out of the lab and put it into practice to help you make the best dietary choices for optimal health. For more information, visit www.nutrigenomix.com.